and hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to study a very interesting and a very easy experiment, number 15, that is to study the analgesic effect of drug morphine on mice using hot plate method. Okay, so we'll see what are the requirements. We need a mice of initially 2 to 25 grams. We need 10 to 12 mice. Okay, we'll take morphine dose 150 mg per kg. Remember this dose, okay? Then we will be requiring your head eddies hot plate, as it is a hot plate method. Now what happens in this method, generally the heat is used as a source of pain. Now we know that drug morphine is analgesic, that is, it is used in the treatment of pain, right? So here we have to first induce pain to the animal and then check the effect of morphine by treatment, right? So what will induce, first will induce pain to the animal, so heat is used as a source of pain. Then animals are individually kept on the hot plate that is maintained at a constant temperature at 55 degrees Celsius. The reaction of animal to pain is such that they paw, lick or jump response is taken as the endpoint. Now these analgesic drugs increase the reaction time. Now if we are inducing source of heat as a pain, okay, and animals are pain, so what in this heat response, animal will give, such as it will lick its paw or give jump as a end point, okay? Or agar we are giving morphine as an analgesic, so the reaction time increases. Now if it is picking up or jumping in 2 seconds, if I'm giving morphine, the pain is reduced, so it will jump in 5 seconds, this way, okay? And this method was described by two humans, Eddy and Larimolock, in 1953. Now let's see what is the procedure, how we'll carry out. Okay, so here we'll just take the animals, okay, healthy animals, weigh and number the animals like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then take the basal reaction time by observing the hind paw licking or jump response in animals when placed on hot plate maintained at constant temperature. We'll take the Eddy's hot plate, maintain the constant temperature at 55 degrees Celsius, and first we'll take the basal reaction, that is without inducing drug, okay? We'll see in how much time it is licking its hind paw or jump response, okay? And normally these animals show 6 to 8 seconds. Now we will keep the cutoff period as 15 seconds, okay? Because the animal's paw may damage, it can be burned, so we have to not exceed the temperature. We can't induce such pain, okay? We'll have to just keep the cutoff time as 15 seconds. Then after that we'll note the note called the time, okay? And then what we'll do, inject morphine to the animals and note the reaction time of animals similarly. अब जब सेम पहले हम लोग ने बेजर रिएक्शन किया, मॉर्फिन इंजेक्ट करेंगे, एनिमल्स का रिएक्शन टाइम देखेंगे 15, 30, 60, 120 मिनट्स पे after the drug administration. As the reaction time increases, the morphine is taken as maximum analgesia. In the morphine ka conclusion is that it is showing the maximum analgesia as the reaction time is delayed, okay, it is increased. And then we'll calculate the percent increase in reaction time as index of analgesic at each time interval. So this is your Eddy's hot plate method, okay? You can see what is here. This is your Haddy's hot plate method, is also called as analgesiometer, in which there is one cage like hot plate surface, okay? So this is your switch here, यहाँ पर thermoregulators, indicators सब, यहाँ पर एक clock, stop clock होती है for the timer, यहाँ पर एक hot plate होती है, तो फिर उसका hot plate का जो टेम्परेचर है हम लोग ने 55 डिग्री सेल्सियस मेंटेन किया है, ठीक है? तो हम एक एनिमल लेंगे, उसको वे करेंगे पहले और इस हॉट प्लेट पे रखेंगे, एंड हमारा कट ऑफ टाइम कितना है 15 सेकेंड्स, राइट? 15 सेकेंड्स इज माई कट ऑफ टाइम। तो उसको रखेंगे, देखेंगे वो कितने टाइम में उसका पॉ लिक कर रहा है, जंप कर रहा है, और वो टाइम एज नोट करेंगे, 1 2 3 ऐसे टाइम नोट करेंगे, ठीक है? ये पहले बेसल के लिए। देन ड्रग मॉर्फिन इंजेक्ट करेंगे, वापस उसको डालेंगे, वापस उसको चेक करेंगे, और 15 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज देर आर चांसेस ऑफ मतलब burning its legs, right? So we can't do that. So this is the apparatus or equipment used to check the analgesiometer effect. Okay. Then we'll see the observation table. Okay, so as observation table and calculations, the morphine we have injected as a source of drug 150 mg, heat is a source of pain 55, response is leaking of pore and jumping cutoff reaction is 15 seconds. Now we have taken 6 mice. We have initially weighed all the mice and just noted down the body weight. Then for dose we have to calculate the dose. Okay, like कितने like dose will be calculated from the body weight. ठीक है. अब now we know कि 150 mg is gives 1000 grams. So x is equal to 27. If morphine is to be injected 150 mg to minimum 1000 grams, so 27 के लिए कितना देंगे? So we'll just cross multiply this and we can write 27 into 150 divided by 1000. So if we divide by 1000, we'll get the answer as 14.05. Similarly, if 150 mg is equal to 1000 grams, x is equal to 31. So we'll get 5.4. Similarly, 150 mg is equal to 1000 gram, x is equal to 36. So we'll get 4.6. Again for 37 we get 5.5. Again 150 mg के लिए 1000 grams है तो 30 x is equal to 32, that is 4.80. So different body weights को different injection का dose हम लोग inject करने वाले हैं. ठीक है. नाउ जंपिंग रिस्पॉन्स. अब मैंने एक एक एनिमल को, पहले ये वाले एनिमल को एडीज हॉट प्लेट पर डाला, उसका बेजल कैलकुलेट किया 6 8 7. ओके, देन अब ये बेजल हो गया मेरा. देन अब उसका जंपिंग रिस्पॉन्स जो है ट्रीटमेंट का, मतलब मैंने क्या बोला यहाँ पर देखो, कट ऑफ रिएक्शन 15 सेकेंड्स होना चाहिए, तो सब उससे कम वाले जो है हमारे को मिलेंगे ऑब्वियसली. और बेजल से ट्रीटेड हमेशा ज़्यादा होगा बिकॉज हम लोग को एनाल्जेसिक इफेक्ट पड़ना है मॉर्फिन का. अगर समझो बेजल का ट्रीटमेंट से ज़्यादा है तो वी कैन से द ड्रग इज नॉट शोइंग एनी एनाल्जेसिक इफेक्ट. So we'll have to calculate the dose and we'll have to calculate the increase in percent response in the pore withdrawal, that is latency. अब ये कैसे निकालेंगे? तो this percent increase is calculated by the formula. In the previous experiment number 14 we had used the same formula, but the difference was it was 1 minus dt upon dc. Here we are taking dt upon dc into 1. dt क्या होगा यहाँ पर? ड्रग ट्रीटेड dt. ओके, एंड बेसिल का विल बी dc. ओके, dc. सो विल टेक परसेंट इंक्रीज. अब फर्स्ट वाले का क्या है? dt कितना है? dt इज 11. 11 डिवाइड बाय dc इज 6 minus 1 into 100. Now 11 divided by 6 is 11 divided by 6 करेंगे, उसको माइनस करेंगे 1 से and 100. So we'll get answer as 83%. Similarly we'll carry out for second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. ठीक है. अब इसका एक सिंपल बार ग्राफ बनाएंगे. बार ग्राफ कैसे बनाना है? जस्ट शो यू ऑल. ओके, इसका एक सिंपल बार ग्राफ आएगा. फॉर बार ग्राफ, okay, for bar graph you just calculate the average of this basal average and treatment average. okay, इसका जो भी average होगा, average वो निकाल के बार ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे दिस way. okay, and you can write just simple bar graph and you can show that Morphine, this is O will not come. Morphine shows increase in paw withdrawal. Jumping, that indicates morphine shows analgesic effect. I hope it's clear. Thank you everyone.